You remember before we placed an order, we had 3,337 followers, right? And as you can see, we still have 3,337 followers. So all we need to do right now is to refresh. So if you want to refresh, you need to draw it down like this, and boom, you can see we have 3,469 followers, which means that the 100 we ordered has completed. And if you look at this inbox right here, can you see this inbox right here? You can see 99 plus, and you tap on it, you can see this new followers right here. You can see 99 plus, and once we tap on it, you can see this person just followed us now, and you can see all these followers just followed us a minute ago, which is the equivalent of the time we placed this order. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how creators are getting followers on TikTok without even going viral. It's simple. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. I'm going to introduce you guys to this website called growbetter.net. That's this website where we are going to be doing everything. The link is in the description, so it's important for you to watch this video from beginning to the end. After watching, just click on the link to take you to the website. So the first thing we need to do basically is for us to create an account in this platform. You can see this sign up right here. Can you see this sign up right here? Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will bring you right here. Put your name, write your name together, not give space, and put your email right here. Create a password, right? Confirm your password right here, and come to this human, right? Tap on it, and it's going to tick, so you can see it has tick. And the next thing you need to do is to click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. But because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to actually log in order to continue what I'm doing. So guys, right here I've logged into my account. You can see right here, it's very simple. So for us to actually boost these followers, all we need to do firstly is for us to come to this category right here. Can you see this category, right? Just tap on it, and you can see Instagram followers, Instagram like, TikTok followers, and everything. So but in this video we are going for TikTok followers, so we just need to scroll down and look for TikTok followers, right? And right here you can see TikTok followers. There are several TikTok followers services right here. So what I'm going to be using this particular one. Can you see this particular one? TikTok follower 10% drop, fast delivery, new. Why I'm using this one is because it's very fast, because I want these followers to come inside this video as you're watching this video. So I just need to select it, and the next thing is to come to this service right here. Can you see this service right? Tap on it, and I like using the first one. I just selected the first one. Read the description. Description is actually what describe what you're purchasing, right? So right here they said quality is worldwide profile, and the start time is instant. This follower start instant as you place the order, and the speed is 20,000 followers per day, so you can actually get 20k followers a day. And right here they say refill is 10 days. Right here they say when the service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary. Do not place a second order on the same link before your current order is completed in the system. So once you place an order, all you need to do is for you to actually exercise patience. Your order is going to deliver, easy peasy, right? So the next thing is for you to come to this link. This link is where you put your profile link, which is the profile of the page that you want to actually boost the followers, right? So let me show you guys how to copy link. All we need to do is to come to TikTok, right? So when you come to TikTok and you want to copy your link, all you need to do is to come to this arrow right here. Can you see this arrow right here? Just tap on it, and come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link? Copy it, and your link is copied. But there's one thing I want you guys to actually understand, that before we place order in this page, you can see we have 3,337 followers, right? So we are going to come back right here to confirm if this follower was added, right? So let's go. I'm going to paste my link right here, and quantity is the amount of followers you want. So I'm only boosting 100 followers for testing for this video. So once you put the amount of followers you want, the next thing is for you to come right here and click on the submit right here. You can see the submit. I just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see right here, you can see they say your order has been received, right? So our order is currently received. All we need to do is for us to exercise patience, and these followers will start coming in. But there's something I want you guys to understand, that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. How then do you fund the account in this platform? Is very simple. If you want to fund account, you just need to come to this three line up here. Can you see the three line up here right here? You need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, by your left hand side you can see this add fund right here. You just need to tap on this add fund, and when you tap on this dot, can you see this dot right here? Can you see? You just need to tap on it. When you tap on the dot, you see Corapay and Manual, which is the two payment option in this platform. I'm going to teach you how to use both of them. If you want to use Corapay, select Corapay and come to amount, and put the amount you want and click on this pay. All right, and once you click on the pay, Corapay is going to ask you how would you like to pay. Right here they say how would you like to pay. Pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, or pay with card. If you want to pay with debit card, select debit card and put your card details right here, and click on pay. Your payment will be processed, right? And If you want to pay with bank transfer, select bank transfer, read all this instruction right here, click on this I understand instruction, click on continue, and Kurape is going to provide this account number. You can see right here, can you see this account number right here? You just need to copy the account number, go to your bank app and make transfer. After you make transfer, you don't need to do anything, it will automatically rotate. Let me show you guys how to use manual. If you want to use manual, all you need to do is for you to come right here, select manual and read the instruction. Instruction stated, kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number. You can see they say do not send below 1,000 naira because it won't be refunded. They say provide proof of payment with the payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. So all you need to do is to make a payment to this account number right here and send them your proof of payment. How do you send your proof of payment? You need to come to this contact us right here, tap on it, or click on this WhatsApp icon right here to take you to the WhatsApp, send your proof of payment and your Grow Better username, and they're going to confirm your payment. Right, so this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go and check that TikTok account that we boosted to know if these followers have already started coming. You remember before we placed an order, we had 3,337 followers, right? And as you can see, we still have 3,337 followers. So all we need to do right now is to refresh. So if you want to refresh, you just need to draw it down like this, and boom, you can see we have 3,469 followers, which means that the 100 we ordered has completed. And if you look at this inbox right here, can you see this inbox right here? You can see 99 plus, and you tap on it, you can see these new followers right here. You can see 99 plus, and also you tap on it, you can see this person just followed us now, and you can see all these followers just followed us a minute ago, which is the equivalent of the time we placed this order, right? So this is exactly how to actually boost your TikTok followers without going viral. So all you need to do is to come to this platform, growbetter.net, just create an account and do exactly the same thing I did. The link is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on the link and it will take you to the website. So thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.